Kevin's Corner. Well, I guess it's been all right. You know, getting everything you need dropped off at your front door. But it all boils down to what you mean by convenience. Son of a bitch, I've never seen so much damn cardboard in my life. It's like I got nothing better to do on a Saturday than burn cardboard. Cardboard, cardboard, cardboard. That's all I ever see. Give me a match. Kind of surprised you asked that. I found myself getting closer to nature, you know? Birds, they're singing. I even spoke to some fish. And I found myself actually becoming one with the dogs. And the quail, it's like they know me. I can really feel it. It's almost a nirvana experience. Yeah, I'm just not really sure I could keep going on about this subject. I think I'm done here. Should I cut the tape? And that's Kevin's Corner.